changing air filter for GLC 200 2020. Is one of the difficult air filter to change in Mercedes. This is where the air filter is. First, I'll take this off. Yeah, then I'll raise this up. No, actually I don't need to take that. There's a clip here. I'll lift it, pull it, and this. I'll take this out to give space. So I'll fix the camera properly and I'll start now. Ooh. First I'll use this tool. I'll turn on my torchlight so I can see properly. First I'll just take out this switch properly. This out. This is out a little bit. I'll come back to that. Then next thing, you just lift this up from under and it comes out. For this, you just pull this way and it comes out. So we have clearance now. I've got some space. So taking this out, I have to be careful. It's coming out. Almost there. Screwdriver to just pull it out. Okay. I'll use this clip remover. Almost there. We go. Almost there. I'll leave that for now. I'll come back to it. Leave that for now. I'll come back to it. Yeah, so I've taken this off. You just lift this up a little bit and drag it. So I was pressing it down, so you just lift this up a little bit and drag it, comes out. Yeah, so what we need now is T20 or T25. We'll take out these bolts. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's another one down here. So let's go. Can we use this for things? I need my torchlight so I can see. There's one in here. can need to use a hand tool for that. Yeah, the bolt is out. We have another one out. That's T20. Oh, there's another bolt around this. Let's see. There's no hidden bolts here. Take this away so you have some clearance. Yeah, that's off. Yeah. Then I need a plier before you can take it out. You take this bolt. Just use a plier to take this out. Drop it. Yeah. There's another issue here. So this you just press from under and on top and draw back together at the same time. Yeah, turn this out. This one as well. Same thing, press from the top and under and drag down. I might have opened this place. And so I press this two down and let's this out. Take and press here down. Take this out. Oh, I'll grab my tool. So the box is out. This is the air filter. Very dirty, so I'm gonna air blow and put a new one back. Yeah. This is the new air filter from Mercedes-Benz. The parts number is A264094010. the new air filter from Mercedes. So you're gonna put this in first properly. Yeah, then you would make sure the bolts, you turn them up so they stay. You have to turn it up so it doesn't give you issue when you're putting it back. And here's my one too. Do it this way so it stays like this, and this one like this one like this. You don't want it falling this way. It has to be firm, fold into the back. Yeah. All good now. Then what I need to do, I need to position it first. I might need to take this off. Just like that. I broke this now. I was too still anyway. I'll fix that later. Shit happens. Like I said, this is one of the most difficult outfits in Mercedes Benz. Make sure everything slides in. This one's very quick. So press this down, lift this up, press this down, so you can take this out. So now some space. Yeah, I can have some space now. And you make sure this aligned properly. Yeah, got it. So that stuff was in my way. Yeah, so you want to start with the screws. You start putting them. Start putting the ones that are behind first, that are difficult. Tighten that. Okay, yeah. I just got the main.
Yes.
Oh, this is And the last one. Yeah, they're all in. Then I put these ones back to their rightful place. Just put and press in to clip. Yeah, then this one as well, pushing, clipped. Yeah, no go. Yeah. I'll put this back. In its rightful position. And just make sure it's aligned. Press down and lock. That's good there. Put this back. I'll put these ones back. Just lift, press down. Locked. And this one locked. Yeah, this one that snapped before is locked. Then I'll come back here and put this clamp. Oh, wrong way. Should be this one. No. Yeah. See that's in. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to put this one. Then this one, just slide it in. So slide it in. That's it. Everything is very good. And you put everything back. Thank you for watching.